25 laps. This ought to be a whooping, ladies and gentlemen. A real whooping. You already up there? I get the tire nice and warmed up, probably. Don't let the guy squeeze in there. It'll be 25 laps. A whopping of 11. It's gotta be a good race. Second from the inside. Got the lead so far, but he's got 25 laps in this race to hold on to that lead. It's got to be a neat race. He just needs to stay on the inside. Don't let him do it, Brandon. Don't let him do it. Nice move. Stay on the inside. Stay on the inside. That's okay. He gets good drive coming off the turns. He's really going to have to be consistent here. Really going to have to be consistent. Laps, as we mentioned a moment ago. At it. Okay. He needs to pick up his foot and get that drive like he does. This guy's going to try an outside deal. Ain't going to work, I'll tell you that right now. By me, you're going to have to do it on the outside. Halfway through this race right now. Come on, Brandon, get on the gas. Make him work for it. Come on, you're in better shape, man. Make him work it, make it work it. Come on, man. Don't get sloppy. Don't get sloppy. Come on, get your ground back, Come on, back. off for a minute. Okay, evidently it's a restart. I don't know how they're going to do it. Whether they're going to stagger them or probably going to stagger. Back to back, front to front. Get the restart going here. As I mentioned a moment ago, you just got to keep that lead. He's got 7 more laps to go. 8. Who's counting? His tires cooled off a little bit, so he's going to have to warm it up again. See what happened there? There's a little bobble somewhere, but he needs to stay on the gas, keep that tire hot. Because they gave it time to cool off on that restart. Kind of a bump deal, but that's the way it goes sometimes. Oh, he almost went down. I thought I'd get that in there for you. Nerve-wracking, huh? Don't carry that flag, dude. He probably would right now. Right now we're working our way through the pits here.
Dirt out there.
Yeah, like those are trophies for the night.
Dude, you're awesome. Nice job, man. Nice job. Oh, you did great. What'd you think of that?
8 laps. 8 laps left.
Yeah.
I got a little nervous. God, he can do it. That was a good one.
Well, what do you say? What do you got to say?
It's good. What about that wheelie?
That's a good meeting, too.
Yeah, Grandpa like that. Yeah.
All right. Well, nice job, man.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Get the trophy. I think everybody here can give a round of applause to put this thing on without it wouldn't be on the ball.
Yeah, but I'm gonna
Also, to all the people behind the scenes who put this all together, the track workers, the scorers, all the people that do all the road work and put it together so you guys can have a place to race. Let's give them all a big hand. Okay, the trophies for tonight. First class Vintage 6E, second place. Smaller, 15 in. 15 in. That's Brandon. Good job, Brandon. Most of us don't have any more.
You gotta tell him you hold it.
First place, number 66.
I did, he didn't.
That's Jimmy.
Cool. I was gonna feel left out if we didn't get one of the cool plaques.
Class, plus 50. Dennis Ball, 50B.
What do you think, babe? Would you like to tell us a little bit about the plaque?
First place, number 12. Eddie Mulder. Eddie Mulder left.
Ah.
First place, number 57. Open amateur.
we've done that with our
All right, Chad, good job. Number 71, open amateur. This is for second place. Steve Fortune. And first place, number 81.
Congratulations! You were awesome tonight. You were.
the guys fell down.
You were great. It was fun to watch you.
Thank you very much for a good season, ladies and gentlemen. By the way, the trophies were donated by Leonard Grove Motorcycles, the best shop in Southern California. Those have to see Bruce on. I don't handle that part.
Bruce hightailed to his nearest spot.
Yeah, woo!
That's tough, Bob. Good job, buddy.
Thanks a lot, buddy.
That's all right. We only had I know, but it's still the guy we have there. Just don't look. No, not really. That's it. Yeah.
Oh, I got the hat. Another day at the race.